What up, guys? This is part 3 of the Crown Vic rebuild and flip. Calvin just complaining right now because he can't take off one simple bolt that took me like 2 seconds to do. Oh, and I shaved my head. Yeah, this quarantine got to me. You know, I had a Britney 2005 moment. Other side, Calvin, other side, because there's a bar in the middle. But yeah, so right now he's taking off the bolts for the wheels. We're gonna lift the car up. We're gonna take the wheels off. We're actually gonna reinstall. What? You just dropped in your toes? Yeah. So we're gonna reinstall the gas tank. We're having problems getting it to fit perfectly. The straps that hold it up are a pain in the ass. So we found a way to do it that people have been doing online by not installing the filler neck first. Oops, I don't know if you guys can see. So we're gonna actually be installing the gas tank by itself up, and then we're gonna put the filler neck in afterwards. Apparently that's easier, so we're gonna try that method first, and hopefully today we'll get you guys a startup. All right, now we're gonna jack it up. We're actually gonna see if I can set up the camera to do a cooler time lapse of us getting the car up. So just 1 second. We got the car up, we got the tires off. As you guys can see, she's sitting nice and pretty. So right now, I'm actually gonna put my hoodie on because it's getting nippy. And I don't want to be working on the concrete on my back, you know, just a t-shirt because it's not that nice out yet. But we're gonna go drop the tank. I'm gonna set up a little angle. Maybe we could, oops, sorry. Maybe we could film us dropping the tank and getting all that stuff. It's kind of tight in there with the tank, so I'm gonna try my best for you guys. So just be right back. Alright guys, so this is like kind of the best spot I could get the camera to be in without being in our way. Obviously I gotta be careful not to kick it because we're still kind of close. But we're gonna go ahead and drop the tank and try to reinstall it back up properly this time. Wish us luck. Alright guys, so we got that pretty much as far down as possible. We removed the filler neck. Now we're actually just gonna be along the perimeter of the fuel tank. There's these clips that hold the lines and clips them together. We're gonna be putting that back because they came loose a little bit. We're gonna be pushing it back up. We're gonna try and strap it in without the filler neck in, and then hopefully from there on we could put gas and fire this baby up. So right now I'm just trying to remove one of these evap lines. Oh god damn. They're actually a pain in the ass to remove because they have like these double clip. It's like, oh man, come on. There you go. Okay. Whew. Alright, I know it's hard to see, but this line right here, the second one that's in my hands, actually wraps around the whole fuel tank. So we're gonna try to see if we could do it without removing the whole fuel tank, because it's supposed to be sitting on the tank itself. as we're trying to put it in, it came loose. So if we would just forced it in, it might have pinched something. So instead of, you know, dealing with that, we're gonna try and take care of it now. Alright, so these are the studs that hold the fuel tank up. We're gonna try and sand them and make sure they're as smooth as possible. Not sand them. Use a wire brush on them and make sure they're smooth as possible. They go up and hold the fuel tank up, but from factory, what they do is, if you can see right here, they're actually about this long, and they screw them up, and then they pull the fuel tank. Good. They pull the fuel tank up with these nuts. So we're gonna try and push the fuel tank up and thread them. So it's gonna be a lot harder, I'm not gonna lie, but hopefully it works, and then we don't have to buy new ones, because the way they are right now, it's actually perfect for us to use them. So hopefully, you know, we could get away with it. Fingers crossed. But let's just let me find the dirty rag. Where's my dirty rag basket? So just gonna clean this. I just put like this WD-40 gel on them, just to I didn't want nothing getting on them or them corroding, or so I just got that off. Alright, so now just a little over here. I'm not too concerned because we're actually not tightening this whole bolt, we're just pushing this up and using the bolt to turn. So we're not gonna actually loosen the bolt at all, so it's not really a big concern for us.
Alex is a gypsy.
Don't make fun of my ways. You pitch a tent, that's it.
And tell fortunes.
Exactly. I could read your future. You know, I actually had my future read one time. It was kind of creepy.
Were they right?
Yeah, the lady was spot on. I was like, all right, what the hell are you doing? Who you watching?
Who do you work for?
Yeah, I was at Coney Island, out of all places.
Coney Island?
Yeah, she was like, it's $10 for a palm reading. I'm like, okay. I'm like, all right, stop looking at my palm, lady.
You will be single for the rest of your life.
They have some gypsy powers, man. I haven't unlocked that level in my life yet. Alright, so now I'm gonna try and push the gas tank up, because I got 2 clips on this and 1 clip in the middle, and then 2 clips on the left. So the 1 clip in the middle is for the fuel tank. That's easy.
1,000 Ways to Die live. They don't have to do an actor's reenactment.
Alright, so this is the 29mm extended barrel for your 50 cal. Nah, I'm just joking. So what the game plan is now, we got the metal straps off. We're gonna use this to get the bolt just enough in there that it's what's that called? It has grip, but we're not gonna tighten it all the way. Then we're gonna stretch the strap around, bolt it on the bottom with the pin, because it's just a pin that slides through. Like, so this is just, this pin just slides through and hooks into here on the strap. So if we could get that pin in with this just a little bit strapped on, we could tighten this in and it'll suck in the gas tank and hold it nice and tight for us. So that's the plan. Let's see if it works out. All right.
They ain't gonna fit in, dog.
Like, look, this bow right here. You see how it's like bowing up?
Yeah.
If it was straight, it would. That's the crazy part. Alright, so after a whole bunch of headaches and banging around in there, we figured out a little trick. It's impossible unless you get the proper bolts for it to get this back on We have the proper bolts, but they're just half of them because they cut them off. So what we figured out is we just opened up, like this thing was bent down. So what we're doing now is we're actually opening up. Watch this, watch this. Alright, so the next step is we gotta drill a hole inside this metal, because these two holes were one before, but we're gonna make a hole right here. You guys can see, right? We're just using a step bit just to get it done quicker. Right there, that's where it was last time, right?
I move up a little bit.
Right there?
Yeah.
Because this is like, it's violent. Like once it grabs onto the metal, that's it. Some redneck engineering right there. Oh yeah,
Bend.
hold up, because it's like this, right?
Hold on.
Yeah, because it goes in like this. No, it's like this.
It's like that.
It's like this. So this
needs
bends
to
down.
This, yes.
There we go. Now you have an adjustable tank strap. You want to run a race tank, you go here. You want to run, you know, daily driving tank, you go here. You want to run you want to run a cross-country truck car right here. Alrighty, so we got the gas tank in, we got the filler neck, and this whole mechanism installed. So the gas tank was a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. We got everything bolted up. We had to use I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, we had to use an extendo mag. So right now we're actually putting the wheels back on because we are losing daylight. So we're gonna put the wheels back on. We're gonna what's that called? Drop the car, put some gasolina in it, fire this baby up. Hold this. You know how to use one of these?
No, but we're gonna try our best.
You have to pull the fit. You have to pull the
Give me a gym look. Give me a gym look from the office.
So we're gonna have to prime the pump before we let this baby roar to life.
Well, prime the damn pump then.
I'm just ready with my white cream.
Oh.
Like a Windows 98.
Does it need charging?
Ready?
Yeah. No gas light?
No gas.
Oh, low gas.
Woo!
Nice. What, tighten the wheels?
No, I'm just gonna roll it up a little bit. Not like all the way.
Okay.
I just don't want to smoke up the garage.
No, it's okay. Jeez. Yo, we should take this down that strip. And see what this bitch do.
It has no registration.
Oh yeah.
Well, this ain't no Alabama where we could do it.
Alright.
Kitty purrs.
It does.
Let's go rev it up.
I'm okay.
I'll rev that shit. I'm good. Maiden voyage. Yeah, this is like the movies. Huh. So it has no reverse lights. Why didn't he go all the way? It has no reverse lights, but I don't know why he didn't go. This looks like such a cop car that's backing down like, oh shit, run, the police!
Hey boys, ever had your cops like by a police officer before?
Cop! What about it? What about it?
Steering column.
Oh, the sound? It's probably just, well, you're turning. You stop. You're going all the way past the point. You're full loss.
I know, but this is just turning whatever way.
Probably just needs grease or some shit.
No, listen. Steering column.
I gotta look into that. No, that's a pump.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's. I don't know.
Because the wheel is turning fine as you turn.
Yeah, it's fine. It's just that
Something's up with the pump.
there's a sound.
Yeah. I gotta look into it. Why didn't you go all the way?
It's fine.
That thing looked cool. Like when you're driving away,
Yeah.
you look like a cop. Cut it. Wait. Go all the way. The police car. Alright, so we're going to be wrapping it up for today's video. The next part we're going to actually be full on detail and see what else needs to be repaired as in trim wise. First, I saw you on camera. Afterwards we're going to be probably installing some, you know, maybe white and blue or white and yellow lights, like strobe lights in it. Just to give it that cool little wow factor. And then we'll show you guys how we're going to sell this thing. Right, Felix? Alright. Peace. See you guys in the next one.